Hi guys. Now that we have a official final drafting package, we need to go through and delete everything from before so that we don't accidentally work off of it. I have done it before and it's real sad when you discover it. The first thing you're going to do that is to make sure that all of the layers that have any drawings from somebody else are on there. So for me, I put those on layers that I label XREF, even though these technically aren't XREFs. And make sure that those are turned on. And then I'm just going to select those files or those blocks, because they are blocks, and delete them like that. Then you can hear my cat moving around on the table probably. How dare. You might get some of his purring too. He's a good cat. Anyway, the other place that you need to delete things from is from the blocks, because when you import something as a PDF, it will import it as a block. So you can see here, I'm in the current drawing. And I can see those two PDFs that I was just looking at but moments ago, and also probably this one. So I want to get rid of those. The easiest way to do that is by running the Purge command. And once you run it, it's going to pop up a window that looks like this, and then it's going to tell you or show you things that you can get rid of. You'll notice that there's a tab up here that says purgeable items and non-purgeable items. So if there is an instance of that item somewhere in use in the file, it won't let you purge it because it's on there somewhere. So obviously it's representing some kind of information. In this case, I have deleted all of those references. So I'm going to click on the boxes that I want to get rid of, and I'm going to say purge checked items down here. Great. It's going to ask me if I want to purge this one or all of them. I'm just going to click all of them because I have checked already if that's indeed a thing. Great. The other thing I'm going to do, now that those are purged, you can see that all of these PDF things have made themselves visible in the purgeable. That's because they're no longer being used somewhere in the file. So I'm going to select all those, click on them, and I'm going to say purge checked items. Now that I've done that, I don't have any of that random stuff in here that I don't want anymore. You can see that all of those layers are gone, and I'm back to a fairly clean working space. So purge your checked items, friends. I mean, purge your unused items. Purge the old stuff, just in case. Okay, bye. Oh, wait a second. Sorry. The other thing that you're going to want to do is if you've XREF'd something in, get rid of it. Detach. Detach. Clean, keep your workspace clean. This is like cleaning off the workbench at the end of the day. Okay, done for realsies.